Doubleheader in the Gulf of Mexico. Some nice fish out here.
We'll get better than this.
Hey guys and girls, welcome. This is the first episode of our YouTube show. It's based out of Bud and Mary's Marina. My name is Rick Stanzik, Captain Rick Stanzik. This is my dad, Richard, and our friend Bean here, who works there. Today we're going to be fishing in Everglades National Park in Florida Bay. We're back at Cape Sable, which is about the farthest southwest you can get in mainland Florida. We do a lot of fishing for redfish, snook, tarpon, trout, triple tail, drum, all kinds of stuff back here. It's a very special place, very beautiful. I spend, just about every day back here in the busy season when we're fishing all the time, and we're going to share a little bit of it with you today. We're rigging up here. We're using these live pilchards that we just caught. They're a great bait to have down here. Just about everything that eats a fish will eat them. One of my favorite ways to fish them, it's pretty basic. Just a circle hook and a little split shot like that. The little split shot gives you a little more weight so you can cast it a little further and helps kind of bring the bait down a little bit in front of some of the fish. Pretty simple rig. Where we're fishing right here, there's a couple little creek mouths that you can see. The current kind of dumps out of them, and we're just kind of sitting in between them in the, kind of in the lee of the current. And a lot of these fish, they like to sit in that same kind of area, out of the current a little bit, but near it, so all that bait and everything gets kind of flushed right to them, and they don't have to work real hard. They can just sit and wait and ambush whatever comes out of there. So we're gonna give it a shot here, see what happens.
There we go. Florida Keys redfish. All right, what a way to start the day. Do you know, Ricky, that Franklin Delano Roosevelt spent time back here when he made up his decision to get well and get healthy, and then he became president? Found that kind of peace and serenity back here. I could see why. Fish. There
we go. He's not a monster, but he's a pretty fish. Love catching these guys. There we go. There's a better snook. Always keeping that rod tight helps.
That is a nice fish.
All right. There we go. Beautiful fish. When we hold these guys, you always grab the bottom lip and get them from under the belly. Always try to support them horizontally like that. You'll see a lot of people hang them kind of vertically by the lips like that, and once they get this size and bigger, that can break their jaw, so we don't like to do that. We like to hold them, support the belly, and hold them the right way. But that's a beautiful fish. Nice snook, on this morning, and a beautiful spot.
Nice trout there. Yeah, that's a nice trout. Yeah, that's full blown. All right, come on here, Dean. Yeah, gator trout. Ooh, we got another one, doubleheader.
Well, we just kind of kept running up the road here. The water was kind of muddy where in the first few spots, but here the water's beautiful. It's nice and green, and obviously there's a lot of light here. This is where the fish want to be, and we're catching them now. That's what we're talking about.
That's what we're looking for back here. One spot to the next. Only a bite away from being a hero. That's it. There he is. There he goes, close.
Oh, here's one just now.
There he is. Indeed.
That's a beautiful snook.
Good job.
Look at him.
So Bean, he's enrolled at B&MU, Bud and Mary's University. it, dog. Come out of there. Oh, Bean.
Nice rat.
My boy, look at that red fish.
Oh man.
Look at that red dog. Leave the hook in, Bean. Leave the hook in.
Nice snook.
Oh my God. Get the stop doing what you're doing. You got a 20-pound snook over. Get that thing. Yeah, Bean. Oh my God.
Some net full of fish right there.
Struggle all morning long and look at those two fish. Oh my gosh. Now those are a nice pair of fish,
Yeah.
guys. That's as nice as they get in the backcountry.
Absolutely.
Oh, big fish, big fish.
Big snook.
Big snook, big snook, big snook. Bean, get the net. Double header again, same thing. Oh gosh.
They will cut you off in a hurry. You gotta know when to let them go and you gotta know when to pull.
Reach out there, Bean. Reach out there.
Got it.
All right, Bean. Got a double header. Not a minnow. Not a minnow.
Wow.
But it ain't that one. Look at that redfish.
Yeah.
Look
You
at
don't
that
see a
boy.
lot of redfish like that in the Keys.
You go get the hook on.
Beauty.
Like it this
All right. That's why we tell people to fish full days, because you know, sometimes you got to wait all day for that tide to change, and then you get into some fish of a lifetime like this. Ooh, bite on the crab. Woo! Check out that beautiful red.
Oh, okay, Bean. Yeah. Good job. Go ahead and take it down. Here we go. Take me up, Bean, and here we go again.
I think he's ready to go too. I think he had enough looking at us.
Hooked up.
Fighting these fish out in deeper water, it's always important to keep your rod out away from the boat, because when those fish go under the boat, you got to stick it out like this. A lot of people want to hold it up high like this. We call that high sticking, and that is no good. Yeah, nice red. Nice 12-pounder, I bet.
Daddy, look at him. Oh my God. That's what we're talking about here.
We like that. Beautiful.
There he is again. There he is again. Oh man, it's tough on those guys.
I got his friend. He was following him up.
All right, double header here. Look at that.
Another nice, pretty red.
Beautiful. Bean, wait. All right, Bean. Look at that lump of red. Look at that lump of red.
That job on this one.
Bean, double dipper.
That's a lot of fish in that net.
That's some poundage.
Hold on.
Double header in the Gulf of Mexico. Some nice fish out here.
Get better than this.
Yeah, Dad.
That's on it. Bean.
Oh, I'm very feeling that. Look at that goldfish.
Big fish,
Look
big
at
bait. Give me 5 to make my hook all day. You did good, Bean.
Look at that.
I could have done it without you, buddy.
Look at
Look at
that.
color in that thing. He ate a dead pinfish. I hooked him 3 or 4 times.
Oh my
3 or 4
God.
times.
Oh, look at him. Look at that
Ricky,
goldfish.
take a picture of me and Bean here. End of a perfect day out in Florida Bay. Look at that sky. Look at this. All the birds are coming back. The season's changing. It's going to be a great late fall and winter.
All right, well, we had a great day today. You know, we went back into Everglades National Park, got to show you guys around back there, found some clean water, got into a good snook bite, you know, no monsters, but it was still good fishing. At the end of the day, the tide changed, the water got cleaner, and we found some really nice redfish and a few big snook, and had a really banner, you know, which is something special you don't get to see every day. But, you know, it was great to see that on our first day of filming here, and we look forward to doing it again next time.